Right now, let's show you what's going on Pinpoint Doppler Live and outside. It's a pretty gray and wet start to our morning. Pinpoint Doppler Live showing scattered showers, though generally light, but it was very steady my entire way in. So I was using the windshield wipers and, then that spray comes off the other cars. So just drive extra careful today, leave extra time for travel. We're going to be dealing with this rain through the day today, and it's very spotty in coverage. You can see it just kind of moves here or there as we head through the day. That's what we're expecting, and then finally tapering off as we head into tonight. So this is our 10 News high resolution futurecast, doing a really good job continuing those scattered showers through the morning commute. This is at 6:30, pretty similar to what we're seeing right now. And then as we head through about noon, I would also suggest maybe packing your lunch today so you don't have to go out and deal with the rain. Then as you're heading home for your evening commute, yesterday we had it picking up during the evening commute. This time we're gonna have it tapering off for the evening commute. You may see a little bit of rain, but mainly just isolated showers for this evening. This morning though, scattered shower activity and pretty poor visibility as well. I mean, a lot of areas only visibility down to about 2 miles, including El Cajon, Kearney Mesa, Carlsbad, and Oceanside this morning. So if you're traveling along any of the major freeways, which most of us are this morning, you might want to leave extra time for travel. The heavier rain hitting northern and central California, also all of that snow hitting our Sierras right now. So more good news for our drought and for skiers, of course. Strong winds will target our mountains and deserts through the rest of today, and we're going to be much warmer and drier for Wednesday and Thursday. Now, morning fog could be an issue tomorrow morning. Of course, I'll be here to let you know if any fog is going to impact your drive. We're up to 70 degrees on Thursday with another round of showers, generally light, coming in as we head into late Friday afternoon. Maybe a few sprinkles into Saturday morning, but most of the weekend will be dry. Look at those temperatures on Thursday, 78 degrees for our inland neighborhoods. We'll see another round of onshore winds Friday and Saturday in the mountains, and then offshore winds, those dry winds, come through Sunday and Monday.